Find the right filters for the job with our updated Filter Cross-Reference tool. Let's explore the expanded features that make it easy for you to locate and order replacement filters. To get started, choose your language in the top right corner of the screen. Next, you'll see that there are three main tabs at the top of the screen: Cross-Reference, CAT Machine Model, and CAT Serial Number Prefix. First, let's explore how the new CAT Machine Model search works. Type in the machine or engine sales model to find CAT filters. Then select Search. It helps to narrow your search by CAT Serial Number Prefix. Choose your prefix from the drop-down menu. You can also narrow your search by filter type. This will generate the most accurate results for your search, which will be listed by CAT part number. The second way you can search is by using the Cross-Reference tab. Here, you can type or paste up to 50 part numbers to find a replacement CAT filter for any machine. If you only have a CAT serial number prefix, you can search for that too. You'll just need to know what type of filter you're looking for to narrow down your list to the most relevant results. All three search types will show available compatible CAT filters, which you can order right away or add to your shopping list. Want to buy a filter right away? Click the yellow Buy Now button, which will take you directly to parts.cat.com, where you can purchase the filter. Need to build out a shopping list before you order? Choose the blue shopping cart icon for the part you want. In your shopping list, you can increase or decrease the quantity of filters you want to buy. And you can add other types of filters to your list. When you're ready to make a purchase, select Buy Now. Or you can export your shopping list to an Excel spreadsheet, which you can save for later or import to parts.cat.com. Before you make any purchase, please ensure that your selection complies with the equipment's operating maintenance manual requirements. Can't find what you're looking for? Check with your dealer for recommended parts.